Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video, I'm going to show you very simple nail art that you can do it in no time. So I have painted my nails using this red nail polish, and then I'm using this Wet n Wild black cream nail polish. So I'm going to paint my nails like half and half like this. And then I'm going to use the liquid latex tape to protect the cuticle area of my nails. And this dries very fast. It's not gonna stain our cuticle and it will be a mess free. Now take the sponge and I'm going to apply the black nail polish side and the red nail polish so we can create the gradient. Now dab it on your nails just like this, and once it dry, then you can try using the gradient again to intensify the effect. Now I'm going to remove the liquid latex tape, and it's very easy, mess free, and pretty clean up. Now I'm going to use this gold foil stickers. Those are available very easily and I have linked in the description box if you like to purchase them. And then I'm just going to apply it to the center where the looks very pretty and elegant. Now I'm going to seal everything with my top coat. And as you can see, once I applied the top coat, the design is enhanced, meaning that the nail foil stickers are looking very much embossed.